Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Going to take up the FMS AVANTI 90mm. Got the thrust vectoring on there. And also going to run, got a 5000 graphene Turnigy battery in, the same one I always run in, and same type. And KM model afterburner, give her a clear coat. Kind of a cross breeze today, so our approach is going to be from that direction. Okay, right. Running my
low rate, high rate.
High rates. Take a look at that afterburner there. Alrighty. I don't know, if this wind keeps chilling, we'll land from the west like I'm wanting to. All right. Timer set for 4 minutes. Okay. Here we go.
Gear is up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Retracts deployed.
All right.
Hey, you know what? I know you tell me you don't believe in all of it. I don't feel so. You know what? Even if I'm wrong and it wasn't true, and I know it was, because God showed me some stuff, so I'm just saying. Even if I was wrong. I know you don't. I know you. Hey.
Landing flaps.
Hey, I've seen you, and I've seen how you do this. You care. You care about everything.
I think it has good rules for blue bag.
Yeah, I don't know anybody.
Flaps are up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm just, folks, what I'm trying to do is figure out how I'm going to land this thing.
Landing flaps. Flaps are up.
Here's what I like to think about.
Landing flaps. Braking. Brakes are off. Flaps are up.
All right. All right, I think I'm just going to stick to my normal pattern because the wind is so unpredictable right now. All right, let's try this again.
One minute. Landing flaps. Flaps are up.
Hey, Fritz.
Landing flaps.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come on.
Braking. 30 seconds. Brakes are off.
All right, this cross breeze is just
Flaps are up.
an absolute booger today. And I'll be honest, folks, I think we're done. Until this wind dies, I don't even want to try it any further. This is not fun at all.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
All right, let's go back to bench and talk about this less than good flight. All right, folks, we got back. That was a horrible flight as far as a crosswind because I know, wah, you should be on your rudder and even it out, but I tell you what, when you're having to fight it, you're not necessarily enjoying yourself, and if you're not enjoying yourself, you got to ask your questions why you're out here. But every time you're on the stick, no matter what, whether it's good or bad, you're still building some muscle memory. You're still reinforcing, so no matter what, it's not a complete loss. All right, let's unplug this beautiful KM model afterburner. Thank you, KM Models. And just you couldn't really see it today, but as you can see, my shirt fluttering is directly across the runway. And these ain't no, $75 foam jet. These are $500 and $600 jets, and I just don't want to. 56%, so I could have flown a lot longer. To show you where I've got the CG, or where I've got the battery, because I've added the nose weight, which they suggested with the afterburner, normally if I didn't have that, I'd have the battery all the way forward to get CG, but because with the added weight, I'm having to move the battery back, and she seems to CG pretty good right there. CG, I don't know the numbers, I don't remember them, but if you look at the decal and run it to the fuse, it's on either side right there. Let me, gears down. I know that changes it a little bit, but let's put it right back up again. I've also got CG marks on the underside. CG will be in that's pretty good right there. All right, we'll check the CG right side up. I've got two glue marks to put my fingers right between them glue marks, and pretty good right there. Let's put the gear up. For every person I've had tell me, check the CG with the gear up, I've had just as many people say check it with the gear down. So that's why I like to do both. And that way, yeah, and I'm in the wind. Kind of a little bit tail heavy. Probably could move that battery forward a little bit. But, yeah, and pay attention how long that takes, because it's not so how long they go up, it's how long it takes them to come down, which you got to pay attention to. Got a Spectrum AR, I don't remember the number. It's the dual antenna. AR6T something, I don't know. It's got two long dual antennas. I got the satellite forward here. Let's check our battery and see. Oh, I already said 56%. All right. Rates and expo and flap settings. Let's go over that. Now, my flap settings. Flaps up are a negative 90%, no mix, obviously for flaps up. For takeoff
Flaps.
is 20%, 0% mix. For landing, however, is 70% with a 10%, I think it's down elevator.
Flaps.
Yeah, down elevator mix.
Flaps are
So
up.
not a whole lot on a 2-second deployment. The rates that I flew in just now were my high rates. 100% throws on the aileron, 40% expo. I put more expo in on the ailerons, on the elevator and everything because of that thrust vectoring. On the elevator, I have 50% expo, 100% because of that thrust vectoring. It's just so much, so I put a lot of expo into it. And the rudder, same thing, 50% with 100% with 50% expo. So really the ailerons, I probably could have put them back to 30% expo, but I got Expo happy when I was setting this up. So, all right, and that was a 4-minute flight, 18 seconds shy of that. Still have over 50%. So, honestly, you could probably set your timer for 5 minutes and fly the way you want. Well, folks, there you go. That is the FMS Avanti 90 millimeter with the thrust vectoring, and me fighting with a crosswind today. And I know, wah, 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 right? All right. Y'all have a good and God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, Avantis, and God is good. Bye-bye.